What's up, guys? Here, Titan Talk on a Friday. I know it isn't our usual Tuesday. I know I was going to come at you Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I will be with you for Titan Talk Tuesday. But hey, it's Friday. I've been getting a lot more questions in. Obviously, the New Year's has rolled around, and everybody's trying to get on to the New Year's resolutions or New Year's diets, whatever it may be. So I figured I'd cover a couple of different things for you guys. Plus, we had some different updates to the website I want to go over so I can tell you guys how easy it is to become a Titan patient now. We're just making things easier for you guys. What's up, Gym Rep? How you doing, man? What up, Craig? So at that point, let's get into what Titan Medical Center does, because I do get that question quite a bit still. Even though we've been in business for 6 years, all around the United States, patients everywhere, people see the shirts. Some of my friends, they know what Titan Medical Center is, but they don't know what we do. They're like, John, you're like, listen, I know you're doing good or whatever it is. Titan looks great. I see all these people wearing these shirts. What do you guys do? You know, what is it that you guys help people with? So let's break it down for you guys so you guys can understand exactly what Titan Medical Center does. So Titan Medical Center provides concierge medical services in regards to bioidentical hormone replacement therapy for females and males. We do medical weight loss, vitamin amino acid injectable therapies. Some are just niche to our clinic. We do rejuvenation detox, so like glutathione to help bring down liver functions. We get that question a lot. Hey, listen, do you guys have anything for liver protection, liver support, or to bring down the liver functions, ALT and AST? And yes, we have glutathione, and we have Nectar of the Gods, which has glutathione in it, and injectable NAC, along with a couple other main ingredients in there that will give you a lot of great results and exactly what you're looking for in those areas. We also do sexual libido enhancers, males and females. So we have options for males and females that are prescribed. Everything that we do here at Titan Medical Center is prescribed. That means that you're going to fill out new patient paperwork, which I'm going to get to and where you can fill it out to next. And you're going to see a medical provider or doctor. That means a licensed medical professional, right? When you come to a hormone replacement center or anti-aging clinic or surgery center or a cosmetic surgery office, you are to see a licensed medical professional. Not me, not one of the pretty medical assistants outside, not some HRT consultant or some ex-athlete or some other guy that thinks he knows about hormones. You are to talk to somebody that is licensed. So at that point, that's what you will do at Titan Medical Center. And that licensed medical provider will then go over, no matter what the therapy is, if it's just vitamin amino acid therapies, you're still going to fill out the new patient paperwork. You're still going to see the medical provider, and they're going to go over all that new patient paperwork with you. They're going to go over all your questions, right? So you can get your questions answered, so you can understand how this is going to benefit you, what you're taking it for, right? So this was another thing, and I'm just going to go into this. So, a person called and is going to switch over to Titan Medical Center. He's going to another anti-aging clinic. His big thing is I don't think I'm getting the results. They've only blood tested me one time, the initial time I came there, and I've been on treatment for over a year. He then proceeds to tell me what he's taking. He's taking testosterone, he's taking an estrogen blocker, and he's taking finasteride. So then I ask him, why are you taking finasteride? I know why you're taking testosterone. I know why you're taking the estrogen blocker, and some of the dosing might be different than ours, but that's okay. I understand why. Do you know why you're taking finasteride? And he goes, no, I don't. I have no idea. Like, the doctor just said, hey, listen, take this. And I was like, well, it's FDA approved to help keep your hair and stuff like that. It does have some negative side effects, though. Did he go over those with you? And of course, no. He said it will help me. Yeah, you're right. Keep my hair. But no, he didn't go over anything else. So what are the issues that are going on with you? What's happening why you want to switch? Because you're getting testosterone, the estrogen blocker, and stuff like that. So what's the problem? Well, I don't think I'm getting the results I should be getting. He hasn't blood tested me in over a year and a half, and I keep asking him and tell him, something's just doesn't seem right or seems off still. So at that point, like, you got to know, and they should be explaining to you or the staff and why you're doing these things and why you're taking these medications, because you're taking them for a reason. You're not just taking medication to take them, right? Who does that? I wouldn't. I'm sure you don't want to. So at that point, know what you're taking. Make sure you're getting optimal levels. Making sure that licensed professionals going over these things with you. Make sure you're getting blood tested and monitored at least every 6 months, guys. Come on. 3 months, 6 months. Check it out. Make sure it doesn't hurt you. You got to go in. You get stuck. I understand that. But it's for your health. It's not for somebody down the street. It's for you. So at that point, you should take that into high priority consideration. What's up, guys? Is this the price is right? Love the mic. Come on down. All right, sorry, guys. I'll come on down. Yeah, usually we don't have a mic. Usually I just have it like up here. Me and Art thought it would be pretty cool. I could like handle it this time. So we're giving it a try. Everything we're doing can be tweaked. That was the best thing. You know, we're going to find what works the best and we're going to use it. So it's like anything else we do here at Titan Medical Center. We want the best. We're going to continue on and keep progressing until we get there and we are the best. And then we're just going to strive to be better. And that's what it's all about, guys. Giving your best 100% of the time. So let's go into the really, really cool thing on the update on the website. So I covered what we do at Titan Medical Center. We're nationwide. We can service you in all those aspects: hormone replacement therapy, medical weight loss, vitamin amino acid injectable therapy, rejuvenation detox, libido enhancers, and nationwide blood testing. Okay? And that's for a wide variety of different blood tests. And we a la carte test. That means that you can pick one test, you can pick 10 tests, you can pick 20 tests. Okay? And that will be in your blood package. So look into that. Even food sensitivity testing. We had a lot of patients signing up for that lately. I don't know if it's because of New Year's and people are on new diets. So at that point, if they're on new diets, I don't know if they want to see if maybe they are sensitive to these new foods or eating or new diets, and they want to make sure everything is right. And that's really the way to be. Testing, making sure everything's right, test and tune, everything's right, everything's, harmonic balance, and you're ready to go, full blast. You're hitting that thing and ready to rock and roll. So that's really what it's about. Saber Media, what up? Let's do it. Let's do some work, Saber. All right, so let's talk about the update to the website. Really, really cool. I'm really, really happy about the TitanMedicalCenter.com website. So www.titanmedicalcenter.com. You can check that out. Now, the update that I want to cover today, there's a couple different updates up there. One, the blog. So there's a blog on there. We're updating that constantly. That's awesome. Great information. Keeping up a lot of different things that are happening on that blog. Check it out. We haven't had that running before, so now we do. So there's a lot of cool content, a lot of things for you to see on there. The next thing, the new patient paperwork is online. Yes. It only took us 6 years, but we've caught up. So the new patient paperwork is online, so male or female can now fill out the new patient paperwork electronically through our website via their mobile phone, via their desktop, their tablet, however that you want to do it. Go right there, new patient paperwork at the top of the tabs on the TitanMedicalCenter.com website. You're going to fill out the new patient paperwork. We're going to get that automatically, call you, schedule you for your doctor's visit, consultation, and get you going however we can and help. So that's really, really cool. The next thing is the shop link at the top. You can go there. You can buy my book, The Ultimate Health Bible, Your Guide to Disease Prevention, Weight Loss, and Anti-Aging. Awesome book. You guys will love it, I promise. You guys can also check out all of the cool new apparel. Now, everything's up there pretty much except for like this new camo hoodie that we got in yesterday. We've got some new Titan gear coming. We will be updating the site for you guys so you guys can purchase that right online instead of calling or texting us for it. But if you want this green hoodie and you want it real fast, you can call or text the line and say, I want the stringer camo that John was wearing in the video, and they know exactly what it is. We also got like winter camo, straight black, blue, and gray. So check it out. Check out the website, guys. I think you guys will love it. All the information is on there as far as the injectables. Sorry about that, guys. It's a green screen of me. So you guys can check it out. Instagram, I'm showing you guys what's on Facebook because Instagram will not let us put anything on a green background. So at that point, you guys are seeing the screen of what we have in the display and what I see. So I think it's pretty cool. It's definitely great, a lot better than it used to be. All right, so let's talk about vitamin D. I want to talk about vitamin D because there's a lot of reasons. But the main reason is because vitamin D plays such an important role in our body, and I don't think it gets enough attention. And I think that it should. I think that there's some misconceptions out there about vitamin D, and people thinking how they get it and how they're going to get it. And it's out there in literature, so people can get kind of confused, I guess, right? So vitamin D, we know that the sun is supposed to give us vitamin D, and our body is supposed to absorb vitamin D, right? And then at that point, process it and help it in all these different functions. Now, we do a blood test for vitamin D here. I live in the state of Florida. Sharice is here, my dad, a lot of different people. We always vitamin D test, and we live in the state of Florida, and we're always out in the sun. And we always come back low or deficient if we don't supplement some way, shape, or form. It's really messed up. I don't know why. It's no like epidemic type deal. Most of the people that I talk to have low vitamin D. What up, Dennis? How you doing, Big Deke? My man. Can't wait to see you next week. Lock it all down. We're about to do 2019 a big way, guys. So vitamin D, it's very important. We think we absorb it from the sun here in the state of Florida especially. But the true way to know is the blood test. Now, if you blood test, you'll be able to tell, hey, listen, am I low? Am I deficient? Am I doing really good on vitamin D? I would like to see some people do very good on vitamin D because on blood tests that we get, we don't see people do very good. And you're talking about a lot of different negative side effects low or deficient vitamin D can have on your body. Let's talk about some, right? Let's talk about immunity. Now, there is facts out there that some people have inability to process in their body vitamin D, and that's why they're low or deficient. So that could be a problem, even if you're out in the sun all day, and that might be my issue. I don't know. So I do substitute and get vitamin D in my regimen. I do it by injectable, 1 shot a week, 50,000 IUs. We do offer it at Titan. So at that point, you need a blood test for that one, though. That's the only vitamin that you will need a blood test for through Titan Medical Center. The reason why. Vitamin D can be toxic to the body if you take too much of it. That's why it's essential to test for it, right? So at that point, vitamin D, immunity, immune system, right? That means that you're going to get sick or illness or ailments more. Depression's a big one with vitamin D. Wound healing, right? Kidney functions. There's a lot of different things that can go wrong with low vitamin D or deficient vitamin D. So get it checked out. I only named a few, right? I named like 4 or 5 different things. There's more than that. I would say at least 10 or more different negative things that associate with low or deficient vitamin D. So check it out, blood test it, ask your general practitioner to do it. If he won't do it, Titan Medical Center do it for $25. You can get a vitamin D test, just a vitamin D blood test package for $25 to check it out. So it is worth it to you guys. Health should be number one priority to you guys. Anything you're doing in life, health is number one. Without your health, you're not getting out of bed, you're not doing any competitions, you're not going into work, you're not playing with the kids, you're not hanging out with the girls, guys, whatever it may be. So make sure that you get your health as number one priority. And not just on the outside, it's on what goes on the inside, right? Because on the inside, really what counts. So at that point, all your systems should be functioning. All right, so the summit. I want to mention the summit because it is around the corner. So we've got the Marketing Conversioning Business Summit that's happening here in Tampa. I am a speaker for it. The information is out there. You can go check it out. I do have it on our Facebook page, Instagram page. It's been through the stories. You do have to buy a ticket for it and everything like that. There's a lot of great speakers that are going to be there. I'm very excited to be a part of that. I think it's going to be really great. So definitely check it out. If you guys are on YouTube or you're not on YouTube, go to YouTube. Press subscribe on the Titan Medical Center channel, please, and share a YouTube page with people that could get help or get benefit from what I'm trying to bring to you guys. I'm trying to bring education to you guys so you guys can learn some of these things, break down some of the myths, learn about what Titan Medical Center can do or help you with, possibly because everybody wants to progress in one way, shape, or form. I talked about it with Art earlier. You know, it's one thing to look good, right? Work out, have the muscle and everything like that. But we know that, you know, sexual enhancement or libido is a big thing. No matter what you look like, how you feel, you definitely want to bring that into play. So I'll go over some of the libido enhancers that we have on Titan Talk Tuesday. So you guys tune in next Tuesday. And we can talk about some of those libido enhancers for males and females. Maybe I'll even bring Sharice in here so she guys can give you a girl perspective on some of these things. I know we get it a lot of times. I get girls that ask us a ton. How do I keep up with my husband? How do I keep, you know, especially once they start a Titan program. How do I keep up? What do I do? So we'll have some answers and resolutions for you guys. Check it out. Make sure you keep it locked to Instagram and Facebook, guys. If you're on Facebook, share this, please. Instagram, please tag 2 friends. I would really greatly appreciate it. I love you guys. We got a ton of new stuff coming out for you guys for Titan clothing, Titan therapies. So get ready. 2019 is going to be a big year, guys. All right. I'm John from Titan. I appreciate you guys all tuning in, and we'll see you next Tuesday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Titan Talk Tuesday. Have a good one, guys. Have a great one.